Alright, we just finished up this Eagle 2200B rotary arm stretch wrapper. There's a few things here and there that weren't buttoned up just because it's going to have to be torn back down for delivery. You know, one of which the wiring going to the control panel up there. This machine, when it is installed, it's suggested that you lag it to the floor using all of the supplied areas to do so. You can see here we only have just a couple, which with this uneven floor, the machine does sway just slightly. Just make sure that when it is installed, again, you use all of those mounting locations, shim it as needed to get a nice level install. This steel plate, which you see here in my hand, we actually cut and painted. It's going to be designed to slide in to fill this void. You would basically loosen these bolts back. There's 6 of them total. Slide this plate in that area and snug those back up. It's going to take up quite a bit of the slack here in this area. But again, for now, it will work for demonstration purposes. We're going to go ahead and run the machine once just to give you an idea, show you that it is up and operational. Before you would start this machine, you would tie the film to the load, which we already kind of have done. You'd walk up to your control panel. It's currently already set to auto. Hit the start button. Your rotary arm speed, carriage up and down speed, and film tension adjustments are all controlled right on the face. This machine runs at about 15 RPM at max speed. It does have a safety feature. You see at the bottom of the film carriage towards the ground, there's a white hoop with a sensor that talks with this photo eye sensor on the top. So if that beam is broken, the machine will come to an immediate halt. Your parameters are adjustable for bottom wraps, top wraps. So you can really fine tune the machine into where you need it to run. It does have a soft start and soft finish feature. That way you don't completely destroy your product as you start the wrap cycle. The machine will always start and end in the same home position. So there you go. We just wrapped a pallet. You're done. You would cut the film, move your next load in here, hit start, and move on.